So, you're looking for the best camping stove, but there are literally hundreds of options out there, and they all claim to be the best. How do you actually pick the right one? Well, I did the research so you don't have to. In today's video, we're breaking down the 20 best camping stoves, covering everything from BTU output, weight, fuel type, durability, and price. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with a true classic, the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove. This thing pushes out a solid 22,000 British thermal units across 2 burners, which is more than enough to cook a full breakfast at the campsite. It weighs just 5 pounds and runs on standard propane, so fuel is never hard to find. The build is alloy steel, which holds up well over time, and Coleman backs it with a 3-year limited warranty. Setup is dead simple. Connect a propane canister and you're cooking. If you want a reliable, no-fuss camp stove that just works, this is a fantastic starting point. Number 2. One GS-3400P propane or butane stove. Next up is the One GS-3400P, and what makes this one special is its dual fuel flexibility. It runs on both propane and butane. At just 3.1 pounds, it's super lightweight and easy to toss in your pack or trunk. The alloy steel and metal construction keeps it sturdy without adding bulk. This is a single burner setup, so it's best for solo trips or simple meals. But the ability to switch between fuel types gives you a nice backup option when you're out in the field. A solid budget pick for campers who want versatility without the weight. Coming in at number 3, the ODSD 2-burner camping stove brings something a lot of competitors skip, a built-in windshield. That's a game changer on breezy days. It cranks out 20,000 British thermal units on propane and comes in cool green and orange color options. The body is made from cold-rolled steel with a high-temperature spray coating, making it rust-resistant and built to last. It weighs about 8.6 pounds, so it's best for car camping rather than backpacking. Great for anyone who camps in windy conditions and doesn't want to fight the flame. Number 4. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2-burner stove. Now this is where things get serious. The Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer 2-burner stove is packing a massive 60,000 British thermal units. That's 30,000 per burner. If you need real cooking power at camp, this is the stove to beat. The cast aluminum burners heat fast and distribute evenly. It's built with alloy steel, weighs about 5.5 pounds, and runs on propane. Camp Chef gives you a 1-year limited warranty, which is shorter than some, but the performance speaks for itself. Best for serious camp cooks who don't want to compromise on power. Halfway through the single-digit picks, the ROVSUN 2-burner stove steps up with a jaw-dropping 150,000 British thermal units. Yeah, you read that right. This thing is built for high-output outdoor cooking. Think turkey frying, crawfish boils, or big group cookouts. The body is cast iron, so it's incredibly durable, but that also means it weighs in at 13.2 pounds. This isn't a backpacking stove. It's a beast meant for the campground or backyard. If you need raw power and heavy-duty build quality, the ROVSUN delivers big time. Number 6. VEVOR Camping Wood Stove. Alright, switching gears completely, the VEVOR Camping Wood Stove ditches propane entirely and runs on good old-fashioned wood. It puts out 14,000 British thermal units through a direct vent system, and it's made from alloy steel with a freestanding design. Now, at 26.7 pounds, this is not light, but it's designed for tent camping or shelter heating, not backpacking. It doubles as both a cooking surface and a heat source, which is a huge bonus in cold weather. Perfect for winter campers who want warmth and a hot meal in one package. Number 7 is the BESTFIRE single propane stove. And it's seriously powerful for a single burner. We're talking 100,000 British thermal units. It's got a cast iron build that can handle heavy pots and high heat without breaking a sweat. Plus, it comes in 4 different stove styles, so you can pick the setup that fits your needs. At 6 pounds, it's still manageable for transport, though it's definitely a car camping stove. If you need one burner that can boil water fast or handle a big pot of chili, this is a no-brainer. A great option for outdoor cooking on a budget. Number 8. Chef Master Grill Boss Dual Fuel Camp Stove. Here's a fun one. The Chef Master Grill Boss runs on both butane and propane, giving you maximum fuel flexibility. What really stands out is how incredibly light this thing is, just 8 ounces. That makes it one of the lightest dual-fuel stoves you'll find anywhere. The metal construction is simple but functional, and it puts out about 3,500 watts of cooking power. It's compact enough to slip into almost any bag or kit. If you want a lightweight, no-nonsense stove that gives you fuel options, the Grill Boss is a sleeper hit. Number 9. Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove. Back to Coleman with the big brother, the Coleman Classic 3-burner stove. 3 burners means 28,000 total British thermal units, so you can cook multiple dishes at once without waiting around. It's built for groups and family camping trips where 1 or 2 burners just won't cut it. At 8.5 kilograms, it's on the heavier side, but that's expected for a 3-burner setup. You get Coleman's solid 3-year limited warranty and the classic green and black look. If you're feeding a crew at the campsite, this is one of the best camping stoves you can grab. Number 10. Cofiyard 2-burner propane camping stove. The Cofiyard 2-burner stove is a newer entry, manufactured in 2025, and it's already turning heads. It delivers 20,000 British thermal units in a compact package that measures just 10.5 by 9 by 6 inches and weighs only 4.5 pounds. It comes in sharp orange and overland gray color options. The build mixes iron, stainless steel, and PA66 for a nice balance of durability and weight savings. It's propane-powered and super straightforward to use. A solid pick for campers who want a modern, compact stove that doesn't sacrifice performance. Number 11. Fire Maple Backpacking and Camping Stove. Now we're shifting into backpacking territory. The Fire Maple stove runs on propane, butane, or isobutane, giving you the most fuel flexibility in this lineup. It's made from lightweight aluminum and weighs about 18 ounces, making it genuinely packable. It puts out 7,500 British thermal units, which is plenty for boiling water and cooking simple meals on the trail. Plus, it comes in multiple colors so you can match your gear. If you want a lightweight stove that works with whatever canister fuel you can find, Fire Maple is a smart choice. Number 12. JetBoil Camping and Backpacking Stove. You've probably heard of JetBoil, for good reason. This stove is a legend in the backpacking world. It weighs just 0.75 pounds, is made from aluminum, and runs on liquefied petroleum gas. The integrated cooking system is designed for maximum fuel efficiency. JetBoil backs it with a 1-year limited warranty, and it's available in multiple colors. It boils water insanely fast, which is its main claim to fame. If fast boil times and ultralight weight are your top priorities, the JetBoil is hard to beat. Number 13. MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Stove. Talk about tiny. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 stove weighs an almost unbelievable 0.16 pounds. That's barely over 2 ounces. It's made from aluminum, runs on isobutane, and folds down small enough to fit in your palm. This is the go-to stove for ultralight backpackers. Despite its size, it delivers reliable flame control and heats up quickly. MSR has built a reputation for quality, and the Pocket Rocket 2 lives up to it. If every ounce in your pack matters, this is the best camping stove for you, hands down. Number 14. Red Camp Wood-Burning Folding Camp Stove. The Red Camp Wood-Burning Folding Camp Stove keeps things simple. No canisters, no fuel to buy, just wood you find on the trail. It's made from stainless steel, weighs 1.9 pounds, and folds flat for easy packing. That folding design is a real space saver. Since it runs on sticks, twigs, and small branches, you'll never run out of fuel in the backcountry. It's not the fastest boiler, but it's reliable and practically free to operate. A great pick for survivalists and minimalist campers who like to keep it old school. Number 15. Kuvik Titanium Wood Stove. If ultralight is your game, check out the Kuvik Titanium Wood Stove. It weighs a ridiculous 0.43 pounds, under 7 ounces, thanks to its titanium construction. That makes it one of the lightest wood-burning stoves on the planet. It burns sticks and small debris, so there's no fuel to carry. Titanium is also incredibly strong and corrosion-resistant, so this stove will last for years. If you want a wood stove that weighs almost nothing and performs like a champ, the Kuvik is elite. Number 16. Camping Moon Canister Top Stove. The Camping Moon Canister Top Stove is another ultralight gem at just 3.53 ounces. It's made from stainless steel, runs on isobutane, and puts out 3.3 kilowatts of cooking power. It screws right onto the top of your fuel canister, dead simple. For such a tiny stove, it's surprisingly stable and provides a nice adjustable flame. It's perfect for solo backpacking trips where you just need to boil water or heat a quick meal. One of the best value-to-weight ratios in the ultralight stove category. Number 17. Ohuhu Camp Stove Wood Burning. The Ohuhu Camp Stove is a clever little wood-burning setup that also works with alcohol fuel. It's made entirely from stainless steel, weighs just 0.8 pounds, and has a freestanding design that's easy to set up anywhere. The double-wall construction improves airflow for a hotter burn. It's portable, affordable, and doesn't require you to carry fuel canisters. Just gather some twigs and you're good to go. If you want a budget-friendly wood stove that punches above its weight, the Ohuhu is a great grab for casual campers. Number 18. Codblore Backpacking Stove. Rounding the corner, the Codblore Backpacking Stove is a compact canister stove made from stainless steel. It weighs just 0.27 kilograms, about 9.5 ounces, and runs on liquefied petroleum gas. It's built for backpackers who need something small, light, and reliable. Setup takes seconds. Just screw it onto a canister and light it up. The stainless steel build holds up well to regular use on the trail. It's nothing fancy, but it does exactly what you need it to do. A dependable budget option for minimalist hikers. Number 19. VEVOR Portable Wood-Burning Stove. The VEVOR Portable Wood-Burning Stove is a multifunctional beast that goes beyond just boiling water. It's made from iron, weighs 8.05 pounds, and burns wood for a reliable, fuel-free cooking experience. The design supports multiple cooking styles, grilling, boiling, and more. At this weight, it's more suited for car camping or a base camp setup. But the versatility is the real selling point here. You can grill, simmer, and heat all on one stove. If you want a wood stove that does more than the basics, the VEVOR is worth a look. Closing out our list is the G4 Free Camping Wood Stove, a lightweight and durable option made from stainless steel. It burns wood, so you'll never need to pack fuel, and its compact design breaks down easily for transport. It's built to last without weighing you down. The stainless steel construction resists rust and handles high heat without warping. It's a great all-around wood stove for campers who want simplicity and reliability at a fair price. A solid closer to an already stacked lineup of the best camping stoves. All right, that's a wrap on the 20 best camping stoves out there right now. If I had to pick standouts, the Camp Chef Explorer is unbeatable for cooking power, and the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is king for ultralight backpacking. Links to every stove are down in the description. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Which stove caught your eye? Drop a comment below. Until next time, happy camping, and I'll see you in the next one.